Hi, it's your girl Angelina. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to take you along on an unforgettable journey to one of the most mesmerizing beaches I've ever set foot on. As I step onto the warm, golden sand, I can feel the sun's gentle kiss on my skin. The beach stretches out in front of me like a natural canvas painted with shades of blue and gold. It's a postcard-worthy paradise that words alone can't do justice to. This beach is truly a playground for nature lovers. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted by the soothing melody of crashing waves and the fresh scent of salt water in the air. It's an instant reminder that you're about to embark on a remarkable beach adventure. Walking along the shoreline, I'm captivated by the diverse marine life that calls this place home. Look closely, and you'll spot colorful fish darting through crystal-clear waters. The coral reefs are a treasure trove of beauty, with their intricate formations and vibrant hues. It's like snorkeling in a living, underwater wonderland. And let's not forget the mesmerizing sunsets this beach has to offer. As the day draws to a close, the sky transforms into a painting of fiery oranges, pinks, and purples. It's a sight that will take your breath away and leave you in awe of nature's artistry. One of the things that sets this beach apart is its sense of tranquility. With its secluded location and pristine surroundings, it's a true haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you're stretching out on a beach towel, listening to the gentle lapping of waves, or taking a leisurely stroll along the shore, this beach invites you to slow down and embrace the present moment. Now, my dear viewers, if you're as enchanted by this beach as I am, I invite you to be a part of the Angelina Beach family. Hit that subscribe button below and join me on future adventures to stunning destinations around the world. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more incredible beach content.